Hi, I'm Eitan from Check Point's technical marketing team. Today, I'm unboxing one of our new flagship security gateway appliances, the Quantum Force 29200. First, I'll share a little background about Check Point and the security gateway's most important features, and then we'll demonstrate how to quickly connect it to your network and begin configuring the appliance using our simple first-time configuration wizard. As a quick background, Check Point is named by top industry analysts as a market leader in cybersecurity for the last 30 years. We are the trusted cybersecurity provider for over 100,000 organizations around the world, securing their on-premises, cloud, and remote environments. From large enterprises, governments, small businesses, to the world's most demanding data centers. For this video, we'll focus on the enterprise and data center use cases with our new Quantum Force gateways introduced in 2024. The series sets a new bar in performance for securing data centers. Let's touch on the most important highlights. The 29000 series doubles the previous security throughput performance, delivering up to a whopping 63.5 gigabit per second of AI-powered advanced threat prevention. In fact, we've doubled the hardware performance across the board, with twice the RAM, twice the storage, and double the field replaceable power units and fans. This ensures maximum performance with full resiliency and redundancy for every aspect of these gateways' operation, all in a compact modular 2-rack unit system. Quantum Force appliances are also environmentally friendly, with a first-in-the-market low power consumption, while delivering twice the port density in half the space. This video will also show Quantum Force's unique feature of offering maximum flexibility to support all types of network architectures. So, without further ado, let's get to business. I'm very excited to be sharing this first-time unveiling of a Quantum Force gateway, the 29200 Plus model. The appliance itself is double-packed, meaning that the actual box with the device is packed within another box to ensure package integrity and safe delivery. The protective foam braces hold the gateway in the middle, while on the top of it, you will see the appliance telescopic rack rails and a small box with some basic necessities. 2 power cables, 1 Cat5 cable, 1 serial console cable, 1 Type-C console cable, the rail screws and connectors, power cable tie wraps, an RJ45 loopback connector, as well as an SPF loopback cable for test and troubleshooting scenarios, and 2 10 gigabit transceivers for redundancy, used for your initial sync and to enable a high availability cluster with another gateway. Last but not least, the security lock keys. And this leaflet-looking page, Check Point is going green, so no more huge user guides and installation booklets, but a simple, planet-friendly one-pager with a QR code that will take you to everything you need. User guides, tutorials, technical documents, even your user agreement. This is the front panel. You can see 2 slots for 960 gigabytes SSD NVMe's in a RAID 1 storage array for complete storage redundancy, which you can hot swap in case operations call for it. An RJ45 console port, 2 sync 1, 10 or 25 gigabits per second fiber ports, 2 management 1 or 10 gigabits per second RJ45 ports. One of the unique features of Check Point's gateways, unlike any other security vendor, is the hardware modularity, which enables the users to configure its network array to fit any need and also grow or evolve with new business requirements. 7 network interface cards, NICs, expansion slots that can be used for 8 fiber double port density NICs that support 1 or 10 gigabit connections. By the way, doubling the capacity of the predecessor Quantum appliance. 4 fiber ports which can deliver full 25 gigabit of security throughput, and the dual 40 or 100 gigabit port NIC. In addition to these very high connection speeds, Quantum Force can deliver the full 100 gigabits per second of firewalling through each port, thanks to the use of the NVIDIA latest ASICs-based acceleration technology. And remember, each of these NIC bays can support any of those three options, allowing the perfect blend that will give Check Point customers the flexibility for future growth or network evolution without being limited to a fixed configuration. The RJ45 port for lights-out management enables remote out-of-band installation and debugging, 2 USB 3 ports, and a Type-C USB console port. Let's take a quick look at the back panel. We have 2 redundant power supplies and 4 field replaceable fans ensuring operational robustness. This concludes our unboxing session. It's important to note that Quantum Force appliances can be used as standalone security gateways, and they can be integrated with Quantum Maestro, Check Point's unique hyperscale solution. The innovative Maestro design enables organizations to start with only 2 or 3 appliances and later scale up easily to 1 terabit per second of advanced threat prevention in a single unified platform. We will cover the solution design in future videos. In summary, Quantum Force security gateways offer a wide range of critical capabilities, from firewalling to deep packet inspection, and Check Point's award-winning Sandblast threat emulation and extraction, advanced DNS security, zero phishing, IoT network protection, and more. Quantum Force isn't simply revolutionary for its cutting-edge technology and flexibility. It also delivers a 2 times better price performance, making it even easier on your organization's budget. We'll discuss more about those topics in future episodes, so stay tuned and thank you for watching this Check Point Quantum Force 29200 unboxing.